I'm still in the process of doing the more basic preparations, meaning roughly the rock, put the bark on, making the outer wall roughly, then starting to cut all the blocks that will be the individual dwellings, houses, whatever. And with every step I'm making, I also try to think ahead about possible shapes of how a specific house could look like, but also my mind is always, or often shifted back to this mountain, simply because it is now just a rock and something has to get on it. Partially, buildings will have to merge with the rock, but here this elevation is perfect for a tower, and in order to make that happen, I will try and cut away pieces of bark so it's more easy to work with foam structures within this rock. And while working here, I'm thinking about here, I'm thinking about there, so it's an ongoing thinking process, and that's the thing. Nothing is really planned, it is all done. It's a creative process. There are no big drawings, rather than some measurements about the size of the whole project, but that's about it. Okay, let's start cutting away some bark. Okay, so not bad for the first try. We'll cut away here. So there will be a kind of building getting from this big outer wall, a building that goes up here, and the first floor of this building will merge within this area, and in between I still have to fill it out with bark, but another small step further ahead.